Did you know that when you shut down your PC, it doesn't actually turn off and it stays on in the background while it does all the background processes? Yes, that is actually true, and you can fix it with one simple tick. Once you disable this feature, your PC will actually shut down and it will work the way it is supposed to. For some stupid reason, Windows has this feature called fast startup, which apparently boosts your startup. You know, when you turn on your PC, it boosts up faster, but it doesn't actually make that big of a difference. All it does is it wastes more power and it doesn't shut down your PC when you want it to shut down. Only the restart does. So with this, we'll fix this issue and your PC will turn off the way it is supposed to. It's very simple. Let's get right into it. So how do we actually turn this feature off? All you have to do is go to the Windows search and type in battery. My camera is covering the screen right now, but it says power and sleep settings. All you have to do is click the power and sleep settings and it will open up this thing right here called power and sleep, obviously. All you do is click on this thing, additional power settings, and it will open up the control panel. And now you have your preferred plans and all of that stuff. We're not gonna touch that right now. That's for another topic. Then we go to the choose what the power buttons do over on the left side. Once we click that, we will see the shutdown settings. And over here, you can see the sleep, hibernate, lock, and the fast startup, which is the thing we need to turn off. It says this helps start your PC faster after shutdown. Restart isn't affected, which again, a lot of people have done the tests and it doesn't really boost your PC that much. It just does more bad stuff than it does good stuff. So everyone always recommends to turn this off. I'm not sure why this feature is even on. So what you need to do to turn it off is go to change settings that are currently unavailable. It will maybe ask for your password if you're an admin. If you have like these pins and passwords on your Windows, put the password in and then turn this feature off and click Save Changes. Once you do that, you are done, and that's all you had to do to fix this issue. Now, when you turn off your PC, it will actually turn off. It won't waste power. No background processes will be running when your PC is off, and overall, it is just a better thing. Try it out yourself and see what you think of it. I hope this video helped you. I know it was a short one, but a lot of people didn't even know this feature existed, so I thought of, covering it and helping some people out. So if you guys did like the video, make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe. And if you don't already know, I do stream on Twitch 3 days a week. Link is down in the description below. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out and have a good one. Bye-bye.